song to play for you guys, and it has a little story behind it. And all of our friends that are listening know the story.
They've heard it so many times. They're like, oh, here we go. Here's a story about the airport. Yeah, this next song is called Season and Cigarettes, and we actually wrote it. Well, Cindy wrote it, and we put it together at 7 a.m. in the Atlanta airport on our way to San Diego.
Everyone was waiting for their flights, and we decided to whip our guitars out.
We were bored,
At
so
7 in the morning.
we're waiting to board the plane. And
We had
like,
coffee.
Yeah, we were ready to go, so we just
Naturally.
got out the guitars and
Just happened.
put together a new song, wrote the lead part, and
Got to California, played it for our friends. They loved it. Came back to Georgia, played it for them. They loved it.
So this is
So here we
Seasons
are.
and Cigarettes. Hope you guys like it too.
Hearts out of wood, shaping the perfect weapons. Burn love's ashes to silver. In my eyes, you were there to heal me and mend what was left of broken pieces left on my bedroom floor. But winter's cold is gone, and I'm ready to fight with you. Fight with you. Just to come back around again, around again. And love goes out just as well as fire burns. Now I'm laughing as I write this letter to you. Your cold hands on, but winter's cold is gone, and I'm ready to fight with you, fight with you. I broke my love just to come back around again, around again. And love goes out just as well as fire burns. Summer's love is what I'm out to find again, find again. No longer shaking in your frostbitten arms, cold arms again, cold heart again. And I've heard love burns brighter than the summer sun.
Thank you guys so much. Thanks for having us.